Hi everyone! Welcome to our episode of Excel in Excel. Pag-usapan natin a little bit more advanced itong ating topic ngayon. Ito ay advanced option sa inyong Vlookup. So if you have an older version of Excel, wala kayong XLOOKUP, pwede rin gamitin ito when you are looking for partial matches or yung pwede na. I'm Coach Abby and welcome to our lesson. If bago sa inyong Vlookup, meron tayong older video with the basics. Lalagay ko dyan yung link sa taas. And pag-usapan natin to. Now, if you are looking for a match na nag-start dun sa text na yon, nag-end sa text na yon, or any place sa inyong cell ay nandun yung text na yon, this will work for you. Hindi to madalas nagagamit kasi minsan ang pagkakaintindi ng mga tao is dun sa range lookup na part ng formula, dun nangyayari yung partial matching natin. Yun din yung naisip ko noon. Pero yun pala, yung partial match doon is more of about estimates when you are looking for numbers. Hindi ganun in actuality kasi you will still use the exact match dun sa ating syntax. At pag-usapan natin yan in this video. So I have here yung sample data. Sinimplihan lang natin para madali nating maintindihan. For example, meron tayong table here at ang hinahanap natin ay itong phrase na MEGA. So yung mega. And then ito yung ating source ng data. Sa traditional kasi na VLOOKUP, we have equals VLOOKUP. Yun yung syntax natin, yung formula, open parentheses, yung hinahanap natin. So, for example, we are looking for meganium. Or we can use a reference cell din dyan. And yung next part natin which is required is yung table array. Ibig sabihin, yung pinaka-leftmost part dapat nandoon makikita yung ating phrase. And then, comma, pang ilang column siya from that first column. So, in this case, kunyari hanap natin yung mismong word, we can use 1 kasi yung first column, and then comma, ito yung ating optional din na part which is the range lookup. When you say range lookup, ito yung 0, 1, di ba? Minsan yung ating ginagamit dyan. Kapag true kasi, you are using an approximate match. Ibig sabihin yung closest. Now, this will work for numbers. Pero, kung gusto natin exact match, lalagyan natin is false or 0. Yan. You can see here, nag-match siya. Yan yung outright lang na match. Pero if you are looking for a partial match, what you need to do is to add the magical asterisk. So, yung asterisk kasi natin sa Excel, it is a wildcard function. Ibig sabihin, anything na gusto yung i-replace, pwede yung asterisk. So, ang pag-iusapan natin ngayon is yung position ng asterisk. So, if you want na ang ma-match natin, so we have here yung ating sample, no? Ito yung hinahanap natin, MEGA. So, dito, kung gusto natin is anything that is after MEGA ay ma-pull up niya. Ibig sabihin, it should start with mega, pero regardless na kung ano yung kasunod, ma-pull up niya yun. We will put the asterisk sa ating lookup value, pero after the lookup na text natin. So, we have mega and asterisk. So, make sure that your asterisk ay nasa quotation marks para maintindihan ng Excel that this is text, okay? Hindi siya pwedeng walang quotation marks. So, basically, sinasabi natin, mega and asterisk. Anything that follows mega, mapupull up niya. So, we have here our table array. Again, yung column number, which is gusto kasi natin yung name, and then false or 0. Ibig sabihin, exact match. Hindi partial match. Exact match. If I click enter, nakita niya na pull niya yon. And even if I pull the second column here, you can see na ang na-pull niya is grass kasi yun yung adjacent sa ating meganium. So, that is how it works. And if you want to find yung match na nag-end dun sa phrase natin. So, any Pokemon that ends with mega, ang asterisk natin malalagay naman siya before the mega na word. So, we have here asterisk and mega. Tapos, ang na-pull up niya ngayon is yan mega. Pero kasi ito yung nag-end sa MEGA. So, niskipan niya to. Even though ang behavior ng lookup is to match the first instance, it skipped over to this match. Ngayon, if you want na kahit saang part siya, yun ang mapupull up niya. You just have to put dalawang asterisk, isa before the lookup value, and isa after. And then when you compound that, it means na any part siya. So in this case, hindi na siya umabot dito, hindi na siya umabot dito. Na-pull up niya agad. Yung ating first instance, ito, kasi meron siyang mega sa pagitan. So, ano yung application nito? For example, you have a lookup value, tapos hindi mo alam or may tendency to misspell the latter part, or you have just part of yung text na available, you can use this as well. Now, If you are, for example, looking for a name of a person, tapos ang meron lang tayo is yung surname, this can also work. Kailangan mo lang i-make sure na walang multiple matches because yung VLOOKUP formula natin will only pull up the first instance. Again, yun yung main weakness ng VLOOKUP. If you want to learn with me sa iba pa nating mga lessons, you can just subscribe, like the video if nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating lesson, and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo kapag may bago tayong lesson. Again, this is Coach Abby. Thank you for joining me and see you sa next video. God bless, ingat, stay safe, lalo na ngayon, and God bless.